Ford faces new safety recalls for Bronco, Maverick, and SUV models. Ford is facing renewed scrutiny over its manufacturing quality, following the announcement of 2 new recall campaigns. These developments come on the heels of a massive recall affecting over 420,000 vehicles, suggesting that despite the company's public commitments to improving reliability, technical and assembly issues persist across several key model lines. HVAC malfunctions in Lincoln and Ford SUVs. The first recall involves a relatively small number of vehicles, but presents a notable safety concern regarding visibility. A defect in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems has been identified in specific Lincoln Aviator and Ford Explorer models. The issue stems from an electrical ground joint on the blower motor that may not have been properly secured during the assembly of the instrument panel. While a broken HVAC system is primarily a comfort issue, it poses a direct safety risk. If a driver cannot effectively defrost or defog the windshield, the risk of a collision increases significantly. Affected vehicles: Lincoln Aviator 2026 models. 5 units manufactured between October 20, 2025 and December 18, 2025. Ford Explorer 2026 models. 50 units manufactured between October 19, 2025 and January 12, 2026. Dealers have been instructed to inspect and secure the relevant instrument panel joints to resolve the issue. Airbag safety risks in Bronco Sport and Maverick. A second, more widespread recall impacts over 3,100 vehicles, specifically targeting the Ford Bronco Sport and Ford Maverick. This defect involves the Occupant Classification Sensor, OCS, a critical component used to determine the weight and position of a passenger to ensure airbags deploy safely. A broken bladder port in the OCS can cause the system to misidentify the occupant. If the sensor fails to recognize an adult in the front passenger seat, the front passenger airbag will be disabled, leaving the occupant unprotected in the event of an accident. Affected vehicles: Ford Bronco Sport 2025-2026 models. 1,515 units manufactured between July 29, 2025 and December 3, 2025. Ford Maverick 2025-2026 models. Approximately 1,655 units manufactured between August 8, 2025 and September 11, 2025. Drivers can identify a potential fault if a passenger airbag off warning appears on the dashboard gauge cluster. Ford dealers will replace the faulty sensors free of charge. Why this matters? The pattern of quality control these recalls highlight a recurring challenge for Ford: maintaining consistency in high-volume manufacturing. While the number of vehicles in these specific batches is relatively low compared to previous mass recalls, the nature of the defects ranging from assembly errors in the dashboard to sensor failures in safety systems points to vulnerabilities in the quality control process. For consumers, these recurring issues raise questions about the reliability of newer model years, as the company attempts to navigate complex electronic and mechanical integrations. Conclusion: Ford's latest recalls for HVAC and airbag sensor defects underscore ongoing struggles with manufacturing precision, potentially impacting consumer trust in the brand's safety and reliability promises.